Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Kerry Bird, Director of Marketing Technologies for Sellstate, Carolinas. Today, we're going to do a very quick how-to on Facebook. It is a very important but yet simple thing I'm going to show you here now. So when you set your Facebook page up, you are by default the admin of that page. And what you're looking at here, and you know you're an admin if you see this toolbar in white at the top that has all these features in it. To do what I'm about to show you, you definitely need to be an admin. You cannot be an editor. So this assumes that you own the page that you just created. When you do create a Facebook page, Facebook will issue you a very long URL up here at the top. It is most likely several numbers. What you want to do is go in and claim your custom username. And I've already done it here on Carolina's page, but this is the location where you will do it. You will see an @ sign under your name, and this is what you click on to select this name. And we use Sellstate Carolinas Realty here. Now, sometimes you may choose a name that may be taken. Facebook will tell you if it is not a unique user ID. You do want this to match as closely as possible to your business name. There are a few occurrences depending on how you set your page up. Facebook may require you to get 25 likes before you're allowed to change this. However, I have set pages up where it immediately lets you claim a custom username. Now, if you read this, it says people can search for Sellstate Carolinas Realty to find your page easily. You can change your @ username in the page info section. So I want to show you something because that is not correct. If you go to your page info section up here in the top right, you will click on settings. And what they are asking you to do is go to page info. However, there is no place in any of these categories for you to change that username. I don't know if they just haven't updated their help platform, but you definitely cannot change your @ username in the page info box, which is what this is asking you to do here. However, I can tell you where you find that. If you click on the About tab here and scroll down, you will see your username, and this is where you can edit that. Now, I'm not going to edit mine. Facebook used to have a rule that I don't know if it even still exists, but you are not allowed to change this custom username more than 3 times the entire life of the Facebook page. But if you do change it, let's say you're moving your real estate business and you want the business name in your page URL, you don't have to worry about it being locked in permanently. You can change that in the future if you need to. But ideally, you do want to pick a name that is timeless. It reflects your personal branding and possibly not the real estate company that you're working for at the time. So that is where you change that. And the last thing I'm going to show you here is you may question the tabs here. These tabs come with the template of what is called the services template, and these come in automatically. You can, however, reorder them if you would like. Go to settings. Go to your templates and tabs. And as I mentioned, I chose the services tab, which defaults several services. You simply take the 3 lines here and move those around. And that is exactly how you would move your services. That is real time. So when you go back to the page, it will reflect the order that you move those into. So that's it, guys. That is your custom username. Once you get that, you will get a really cool, quick, short URL up here at the top, facebook.com. And that's it. Stay tuned. We'll be doing more of these videos this week just to make sure that your Facebook page is all polished up. Have a good day.